The original Dodge Dart models of the 1960s and 1970s were worlds apart from the Dodge Dart that the manufacturer has rebranded under the moniker today. Originally designed as downsized large body cars that would replace the Plymouth, the Dart was introduced as a full-size sedan before being reformatted into a mid-size vehicle in 1962, and finally settling into itself as a compact car from 1963 to 1976. The Dodge Dart GTS version was introduced in 1967 to rival the success of the Chevrolet Nova SS. The 1968 Dart GTS came equipped with a black vinyl interior that included bucket seats and a center console. With its 4-speed manual transmission, the GTS was capable of exerting 300 horsepower from its 383 cubic inch engine. This 1968 Dodge Dart GTS, exclusive to Elkhart Lake's Throttlestop, has undergone a recent full rebuild. A full nut and bolt rotisserie restoration was completed utilizing the original rust-free sheet metal. The original numbers-matching 383 engine, 4-speed transmission, rear axle and suspension have been completely rebuilt to the same condition as the day it rolled off the showroom. No stone has been unturned during this painstaking process, and the results are incredible. The model is also believed to be one of 991 1968 GTS 383 4-speed cars ever produced, making it an incredibly rare addition to the Throttlestop collection. Located in Elkhart Lake, Wisconsin, just a few miles outside of Road America Racetrack, Throttlestop is a premier destination for car and motorcycle enthusiasts of all backgrounds. Whether they're to buy luxury cars or take in the incredible rare pieces of the Motorcycle Museum, all visitors are welcome to experience how Throttlestop is driven by passion.